Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I posted any content and I do really apologize for that. 4 years is a lot, I know, but now I'm back. Alright, trying to win over a crush. You know guys, when I started my first year of college, I started crushing over this Ndebele girl. Damn, she was gorgeous. To say the least. But yeah, I'm not really gonna describe it because I don't want you to know my type just yet. But the thing is, I didn't know how to express myself, so I had to hold in my feelings inside that time. But luckily for you, whether you are shy, confident, or somewhere in between, I now got some tips and tricks that will help you stand out in a way that is genuine, charming, and most importantly, authentic. Let's get into it. I mean, we all know the feeling, right? You are around your crush and suddenly you turn into this awkward version of yourself. But it doesn't have to be that way. If you are ready to win them over, you've come to the right place. Okay, let's start with the most important thing, being yourself. Now I know this sounds cliche, but hear me out. You can't win over someone by pretending to be someone you are not. That only leads to disappointment for both of you. For example, if you are not into extreme sports but try to act like you are just because your crush is, it's gonna be pretty obvious and you're gonna come off as fake. And trust me, no one likes that. Not even me. It's a waste, to be honest. So yeah, step one, own who you are. Embrace what makes you unique. It's about feeling comfortable in your own skin. When you feel comfortable, you'll be able to show up as the best version of yourself without the pressure of pretending. Alright, so now let's talk about conversation. This is where a lot of people go wrong. You don't need to drop a bombshell or impress them with your knowledge of obscure facts. What really matters is engaging in a genuine conversation, like asking your crush about their day, their interests, what makes them tick. But remember, it's not about just asking questions, it's also about listening. The key to winning over someone is making them feel heard and appreciated. And hey, don't be afraid of a little silence. Let the conversation flow naturally. If there's a lull, just relax and let the conversation find its way. The goal isn't to fill every moment with words, it's about creating a comfortable space where both of you can be yourselves. Next up, confidence. Confidence is key when trying to win over a crush. But here's the thing, it's not about being the loudest person in the room. It's about feeling secure in who you are and owning your worth. I get it, confidence can be intimidating, but you don't have to be perfect. It's all about feeling good about yourself even when things don't go as planned. Confidence isn't about being flawless, it's about accepting yourself, mistakes, and all. So, whether you're cracking a joke, making a decision, or simply standing in a room, walk in like you belong there. Confidence is magnetic, and when you show that you're comfortable with who you are, your crush will take notice. Okay, now let's talk about those little things that can really make a big impact. You don't need grand gestures to win over a crush. Sometimes it's the small things that count the most. Whether it's offering a sincere compliment, being there when they need you, or just showing you care in small ways, these moments build up over time. It's about showing your crush that you are thoughtful, attentive, and considerate. Alright, don't be afraid to show a little vulnerability. Nobody is perfect, and letting your crush see the real unfiltered you is a huge part of building an authentic connection. Alright, this is important. Give them space. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement over text, over call, and over plan every hangout. But here's the deal. No one likes to feel smothered. Take it slow and let your crush miss you a little bit. Be present when you're around them and don't feel like you have to be all over them 24/7. If they're interested, they'll make time for you, and if they need space, respect it. Relationships aren't about forcing things, they're about allowing them to develop naturally. So if you want to win over your crush, just remember, be authentic, be patient, and let the connection grow naturally. Whether it works out or not, just know that putting yourself out there is always worth it. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you find these tips helpful, make sure to hit that button, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know how you plan to win over your crush. I will see you in the next one. Good luck out there.